Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews for April 2023. And we will start with SEO optimization for Amazon. Here you can try to figure out the last percentage of optimizations and finding new and relevant synonyms for your main search term. First, you need to know that you use AMALYZE related terms. Secondly, when you're choosing your marketplace filter for Amazon.com, for example, you're entering your main search term here, for example, trash can. And third, you're sorting for search volume, and now you can find all relevant new synonyms marked with a high relevance score, like as you can see here, kitchen trash can, garbage can, trash can, kitchen, and all the others. So go through that and figuring out your missing words for your content. So that is also the next section. In the content we are finding a new feature. It's from the mobile product detail pages with styling ideas. They are now also available on desktop. You can switch through 5 of them and you will find always the same sections of products like trousers and shoes and so on. You can use that for product targeting, for example. Of course, the product seems related to your main product. That's really interesting, and you can build up with that more advertising strategies. Last but not least, in that section there's a new notice on the product detail page. That is an absolute closed beta. Only a few customers can see that. Frequently returned items. That is a badge shown on the product detail page to make sure that the customer will check the product details and customer reviews to learn more about this item. Of course, it is frequently returned. Then we can move to the section advertising. In the last AMAnews, we have shown you more in this color, and now we have found more in this size. That is really interesting when it comes to advertising. Of course, normally you're advertising your top products, best conversion rate or best margin or whatever. Now it seems to become more relevant to advertise all your colors, as we have shown it in the last AMAnews, or all of your sizes to be relevant on all the out of the products in the specific size to show your own products. Of course, if you're only advertising one size and where as the customer is on the other product detail page in the other size, you will not see your ads. Then Amazon has changed the reports for Amazon attribution. Now you can find them directly in the normal advertising console under reports, and you can download all the relevant reports like channel publisher, the promoted product roll up, brand halo product, and so on. The difference is here is really simple. Promoted product is for the product, the roll up is for all variations in the parent, and the brand halo is all products from your brand. Then Amazon has finally completely released the new data view. You can now directly check 4 different KPIs and metrics, and you will see 4 of them. Before it, you have only the possibility to click 2 of them at the same time, and now you are able to activate 4 different at the same time. That is really cool to see the different behavior between that KPIs and metrics. Then Amazon has released a new sponsored ads daily budgeting policy and options for it. You can find it under the AmazonAdvertising.com/API release notes. We have updated our daily budgeting policy for sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. allowing you to spend up to 100% more than the average daily budget on any given day. This update enables you to benefit from high traffic days by using budget from previous days when your spend is below your daily budget. The daily budget amount is averaged over the course of a month. You can also choose to set the additional spend from leftover amounts to 25 or 100% for all your campaigns using the average daily budget settings API. So that sounded is only available through the API, but if you're going into the details of definitions, you will find that one here. The daily budget amount is an average over the course of a calendar month with a few data, with 25% only available for campaigns created before 27th of March and 100% for the other later created campaigns. But to set your budget, you go to sponsored ads, campaign manager, and settings. I haven't found it in the advertising console. It's really new, and we have to figure out if it is really only for API users or if there is more possible. It sounds really cool, especially when it comes to specific changes in the traffic and so on. So if you liked that video so far, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell to stay informed when we are releasing new videos, and of course use the Amazon AMALYZE extension for your FBA business. The next point is marketing. In the marketing section there's one new point. Since 2 weeks you are not able to use money off promotions. Of course, Amazon has disabled them, and they are adding new functionalities to this feature. Since 1 week, Amazon will stop it to make you able to create new money off promotions. However, if your money off promotion is created before March 21st, you can continue to run it for the next 30 days until April 20th. During this period, you can convert your existing money off promotions to percentage off promotions. So you can switch it from, you will save $2 to 5% or whatever. After the 20th of April, any active or pending money off promotion will be disabled. Other promotions such as percentage off and buy one get one continue to be active and will be available. What they are changing and what is the new functionality is not clear here. We will see that and we will keep you updated. Last but not least, the marketplace news. We have decided to put the top search terms here. Of course, you can use it for SEO, you can use it for PPC, and that is a big change. You will find new filters like the top click brands, top click categories, and you can refine your results. You will find up to 16 different checkboxes. You can now directly get rid of a product title or click share, conversion share, or the ASIN, or as mentioned, the new top click brands, top click categories, and when you have a better overview. Of course, it looks directly better if you're only focusing on top click brands, top click categories. When you want to refine your ads or you want to directly know which brand you can advertise or which category. That is really cool. On the other side, you can uncheck them and you will see only ASINs, click share, conversion share. When it comes to product targeting ads, for example, and you want that ASIN, you can download them directly and set your ads on them. That is really cool feature, and it makes it more easier to work with the top search terms in brand analytics. Then there was a short time Amazon has rolled out board in the past month. Then they've changed it to board in the past week, and it's a number on the SERPs that are showing the number of sales in the last week or month. It seems to be cumulated for variations, so that is parent based, and you're seeing it like here 50, 300 or 100, but it goes up higher, as you can see it here, 2,000, 7,000 bought in the past week. But as we have checked it at the beginning of April, we haven't found that feature anymore. So if it is a rollout or just a beta, we don't know, but it's nice to know and to see and to use it for your business. Funny fact here, you see it on the second sponsored slot, no sales or less than 50 bought in the past week, so you can really focus on relevant products that have enough traffic or sales. But make sure to understand, with external traffic you can also push that sales. It's not only the Amazon sales, it's the whole sales section with all your advertising, organic sales, external traffic sales, and so on. If you're selling in Europe, make sure you understand that there is a change in the fees for the multi-channel fulfillment. On April 7, multi-channel fulfillment fees will be increased across some size tiers to reflect rising operational costs brought about by inflationary pressures and to help ensure that we can continue to provide best-in-class fulfillment service for your business. You can directly go through the links, for example, for the UK, and you will find the changings here. So you're seeing if you have to pay more or less than before. Make sure to use that information directly for your calculations. When Amazon is introducing size normalization to standardize quantity informations, that is really cool. We have standardized size catalog attributes across all search and detail pages to give customers consistent quality information. Proving valid size values makes it easier for customers to compare products before buying. You will see that information directly in the SERP. That's really cool, directly under the title. We have found that listing with valid size values for quantity information are bought more often. Yeah, absolutely, of course, you know what you get. Size normalization rules now automatically display size in a standard format, using data from catalog attributes such as unit count type, and the number of items. So make sure you're having your data completely and correct. Of course, it's an automatically normalization and is shown in the SERP. Make sure you don't forget about that. If you want to know if you're directly participating from that, the normalization is in scope for product types across consumables and hard lines, but currently it's planned for implementation in 131 product types shown in the table below. You can go through the link and figure out if you're in it or not. And now you can enroll 200 ASINs in wine. As we all know, product reviews are a retail marketing tool. More than 90% of Amazon customers rely on reviews to make purchase decisions. So we increased the wine enrollment cap from 60 to 200. So you can now enroll up to 200 ASINs in the wine program simultaneously. That is cool. And with that, there is a 50% discount on Amazon wine enrollments for any product that are enrolled between now and April 15. So you have 10 days now to use that coupon and save 50% on your wine enrollments. Then Amazon is changing a few imagery presentations, and Amazon will start adding new imagery to some adult apparel products detail pages on March 21st, so that should be live, to diversify models representation of people and reflect our customers. The results will be curated image block that includes between 1 and 3 new images. Main PT01, PT02 on mobile. We are increasing the number of available image blocks to 10. so that as many as 3 curated images can be featured without supplanting any existing images. So these are additional images. For desktop, the last 1 to 3 images of a blog will not be shown to customers. Could be problematic, as we don't know if it is really the first 3 images with diverse on-model apparel imagery or the last, so it's not really clear how it should look like. On mobile you will see all of them. On desktop you will maybe lose up to 3 pictures. It's also not clear who is shooting the pictures and who is in charge when it comes to misleading pictures, when you have to erase them or what else. So with that, also Amazon has released a new update to image related issue resolution workflow. So that is cool. So when you have problems, now you know what to do. We are launching a new issue resolution workflow that allows you to select new options which will provide you with more information on why your image may not be showing on the product detail page. This process will have 2 image specific options that align with most common requests from sellers. On the one side it's just remove images. We will allow you to submit abuse escalation if images on the detail page do not align with Amazon product guidelines. And on the other side, dispute main detail page image allows you to open a case to investigate further why your image contributions are not showing on the detail page. That is really cool. And so we are ending the AMAnews for April 2023.